Do you still use text-based slides for your medical presentations? In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to convert your text-based slides into beautiful visual slides using a versatile AI tool called NotebookLM. I'll take a set of publicly available medical slides, apply the process, and show you the difference. You can use the exact same process to make over all your existing slide decks and make them modern and visually engaging in no time. So let us jump right in. I am Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We help you present your ideas better, whether you're on stage or on video. So I went to slideshare.net, a publicly available site where people can upload their slides for others to consume. I searched for a presentation on pneumonia pathophysiology. I found a lot of presentation decks on the same subject, and I found this one to be pretty clear and simple. While the first slide showed promise of some kind of a visual, I found that inside there were not many visuals that could help me understand the information better. When I went inside to the pathophysiology part of the presentation, I found that the structure of the slides were very typical of any medical presentation. The presenter seemed to have taken some text from a document and then pasted it directly onto the slides. It starts from here. The next slide continues like this. And you can see that there is not even a title for this. And then the subsequent slide goes to this. And these are the three slides we wanted to convert to visual slides. I'm not trying to find fault with this presentation. The way the information is presented is really nice. However, I would have really loved to have the same presentation or the same information shown a lot more visually so I could understand the information better. So the first thing I did was to go to the individual slides and used a very simple Windows Shift S shortcut to just take a screenshot of the slides like this. Then I went to PowerPoint and then pasted those screenshots. As you can see here, these are nothing but images that I just copied from the same presentation. The next step that I did was to convert this into a PDF. For that, I went to File, Save As, and then gave it some name, and I said this is a SlideShare presentation, and then I went here and chose PDF as the option and said save. Then I went to NotebookLM, created a new notebook, and for the source I went to upload files and picked up the same PDF that I just saved, which is nothing but a compilation of screenshots from a publicly available PowerPoint presentation. You can see that this is the source. And then NotebookLM was intelligent enough to read all the text from the screenshots from the presentation and created a summary like this. Then all I did was to go to Studio, which is on the right, and then clicked on this option called Slide Deck. I didn't give any prompt, I didn't give any special instructions, I just had to go there and click on Slide Deck. It took a couple of minutes to do the conversion, and once it was done, this was the result. Now take a look at how beautiful the slides are. I can go to Slideshow and show you the individual slides. This is the opening slide. Of course, you have this watermark that says that these slides are created by NotebookLM. The next slide is this. It has a beautiful title, The Intersection of Proliferation and Response, and it shows what happens first, which is the proliferation event, and then what it leads to is shown as event 2, and then the key point is mentioned separately in the bottom. Then the next slide is this, where the visuals are so beautifully made all by NotebookLM to explain each of the points beautifully. Now I want to show you the exact same information presented in the slides. This was the slide, and you can see that this is the information that is visualized by NotebookLM. The diagrams were drawn by NotebookLM, the information was organized by NotebookLM, and if I were a presenter and if I were to stand there in front of the audience instead of a slide like this, I would feel far more confident if my slide looked like this. And the next slide looked like this. And you can see a very beautiful thing here. There is visual consistency in the colors used and in the kind of images used. It is not a hodgepodge of different types of graphics from different sources which make the presentation look all different. And the best part is, since we are using NotebookLM, it doesn't hallucinate. It creates the slide deck only from the information available in the sources that we have uploaded. And since the only source for this presentation is this PDF that I uploaded, you can see that NotebookLM has done a very good job of converting this text-based slide into visual slides. Now, when it comes to presenting this slide, I found there are a couple of small issues. The first one is when I go to slideshow and I present, there is this watermark of NotebookLM, which comes in every single slide and you can't do a thing about it because it is a PDF document. And in some cases, some audience might think that you've been a bit lazy in using AI to do your explanation than you thinking about it. So that is one small drawback. The other one is I would have really loved to have some kind of animation in these slides so I don't show the entire slide all at once and overwhelm the audience. And if I were to present it, I would have really presented the information in stages. I would have first shown the image and then I would have shown the explanation one point at a time so the audience can understand the information slowly and can be with me throughout my presentation. Now, we need to find some way of overcoming those two disadvantages. So I did the next thing, which is to convert this PDF into PowerPoint slides. For that, I went to this site here, which is a free option called cloudconvert.com. which converts a document from one form to another. I chose PDF to PPTX and then I uploaded my PDF file and converted it to PPTX and I downloaded. Now the slide deck looks like this. The first slide looks fine. The second slide looks fine, but then the colors have changed a little bit. From the third slide, you can see that there is a bit of an issue. There is no issue in terms of the images here, but the issue is in terms of the text elements. You can see that the letters are squished and therefore are difficult to read. And you will see that further here. Now, the text in the bottom portion here is all split and you can see it is not very readable. And in the next slide, it is even more difficult. And therefore, we need to do something to fix this issue. And of course, there is no animation built into it. So the way that I would approach the project from this time forward is I would create a new presentation, use these images, and then fill up the text by myself so that I'm able to get far more control in what I'm doing. And at the same time, I can choose to add custom animation so I can present the information one bit at a time so my audience can clearly understand my information. And if you want to take this to a whole new level, you can use professionally animated PowerPoint templates like the ones from our medical presentations bundle. Let me show you how to do the makeover in a practical way. This is one of the slides that I had just shown you. It has 3 images and the corresponding explanation. So the first thing I'm going to do is to select this, right click, copy, and then paste it onto a new slide. Now make a copy of this by pressing Ctrl D and then go to picture format, crop tool, and then crop out everything else apart from just that single picture. So I am isolating just this picture. Using the exact process, I have isolated all these 3 images. Then I went to our medical presentation templates bundle and picked up this template which is used to present a list. And this is our 3-point list. All I need to do is to replace these numbers with these pictures and then replace this text with the explanation that is seen here. Let me show you how it is done. Let us just do one sample. This is the image I'm going to replace this number with. So let us select this number. We are going to use the animation painter option to click on the animation painter and then apply animation of whatever that was there on this to this. So this image now has the exact same animation as this piece here. Now this is called image 1 and this is called oval 3. So I'm going to move this image right next to oval 3 and I'm going to remove the animation corresponding to oval 3 and then I'm going to delete this and place this right below. So I'm going to right click and send this to back, and now I have replaced this number with this image icon. Now the same way, let me go to this one and let us select this, copy, and then let us right click and then paste this. And then to distinguish this from the rest of the text, I am going to use a bolder font. Let us use 2cen MT condensed extra bold and increase the size like so. And now we have got our text replaced. Now when I go to slideshow, you can see that this is how the first point is shown. I followed the exact same process and completed the makeover. I visually distinguished the title from the rest of the body. And then on a click, I introduce the first point and the corresponding explanation, the second one, the third one. And then just as in the original slide, I've added a small strip at the bottom where the inference is written like this. So we took this slide, which looks pretty messy with all this squished up text and no animation, to this slide, which has a beautiful animation all built in using our medical templates bundle. The bundle has more than 900 animated PowerPoint templates for your medical presentations. The best part is there is a 3-hour course that shows you how to convert your text-based information into visual slides using a method called NeuroSlide Design System for medical presentations. And if you're not very comfortable with PowerPoint, you can learn the basics of PowerPoint, whatever skills that you need as a doctor or as a medical professional. The course, which is of 1 hour duration, is included in this bundle. And if you want to see practical examples of how slide makeovers are done, there are tons and tons of examples of real-life medical slides made over using the templates. And of course, there is a course that shows you how to edit your templates like a pro. And as a bonus, we are also including our complete PowerPoint Foundation course, so you can get mastery over PowerPoint. So this is an entire package. So I highly recommend that you click on the link in the description box below the video. And if you're a medical professional, to check out this product, and you will see that this is a useful resource that will help you to make better presentations. If you liked this visual slide makeover, then you will really love the playlist we have put together of the different visual slide makeovers we have done for medical presentations. I'll cue that up for you right now on your screen. You click on the link and start watching those videos one after another. Each video will show you different techniques to make over text-based information into visual slides. I'll see you inside that playlist next.